I am Sumaira Munawar, your SST teacher. Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all students are fine. Class 6 subject Geographic. Lecture number 10, chapter number 6. आज टॉपिक आप पढ़ेंगे लैंड फीचर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान कि पाकिस्तान की जो सरज़मीन है उसकी जो कैसी फ़ीचर्स हैं, कौन से तबी खदोखाल हैं। नाउ क्लास ओपन योर बुक जियोग्राफिक। आप ओपन कर लें। पेज नंबर आप लोगों का हो जाएगा 74, 75, 71। ओके, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लैंड फीचर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। Nature has gifted our country with every type of landforms. There are lofty snow peaks, mountains, evergreen plains, deserts and coasts, which have attractions for the tourist. अल्लाह ताला ने जो है वो पाकिस्तान को ऐसी सरज़मीन अता की जिसमें जो है वो बड़े बड़े पहाड़ भी हैं, मैदान भी हैं, सहरा भी हैं और सैली इलाके भी हैं जो कि टूरिस्ट को, जो घूमने फिरने वाले हैं, उनको बहुत अट्रैक्ट करते हैं। माउंटेन रेंज। पाकिस्तान के जो पहाड़ी सिलसिले हैं वो कौन से हैं और इनको कितने हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया जाता है, इसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगी मैं। अरेबियन सी सिचुएटेड इन द साउथ ऑफ पाकिस्तान स्टार्टिंग फ्राम कोस्ट द हाई इंक्रीजेज टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ until we reach the high mountain range. The mountain range of Pakistan is divided in two segments. Number 1, northern mountains. Number 2, नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड वेस्टर्न माउंटेन्स। इनको दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया जाता है। नंबर 1 नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, नंबर 2 नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न माउंटेन्स। जो पाकिस्तान के नॉर्थ की तरफ माउंटेन्स हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं, उनकी डिवीजन। दीज टू माउंटेन रेंज मीट टुगेदर एट पैमर नॉट इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। आप नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स की 2 टाइप्स हैं। देयर आर 2 रेंज इन नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, हिमालय रेंज एंड कराकोरम रेंज। फर्स्ट इज़ द हिमालय रेंज। द हिमालय रेंज आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सेगमेंट्स विच आर सिचुएटेड पैरेलल टू ईच अदर फ्रॉम साउथ ईस्ट टू नॉर्थ वेस्ट। इसमें आ जाएंगी श्वेलिक हिल्स। द श्वेलिक हिल्स आर सिचुएटेड इन इस्लामाबाद, मरी, अज़ारा एंड अब्टाबाद. Average height of these mountains is about 800 meters. The highest mountains in the world is Mount Everest. It has the height of 8,850 meters and is situated in Nepal. Lesser Himalayas. In the north of Swalik Hills are mountains of Azad Kashmir and Pir Panjal. Average height of these mountains is about 4,000 meters. These are called Lesser Himalaya. And now Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya are situated in the north of Lesser Himalaya. The snow peak mountains are situated in Swat, Kohistan and Gilgit. Average height of these mountains is about 6,000 meters. The highest peak of this range is Naga Parbat, which is height 8,126 meters high. And now second, the Karakoram range. In the north of Greater Himalaya, there is another range of snow peak mountains situated in the Gilgit up to Sakardu. This is called Karakoram range. The highest peak of this range is Ketu, which is 8,600 meters high. Ketu is also called Godwin Austen. It is second highest peak of the world. Huge glaciers are found the range in the Siachen, Haisfer, Bataro, Baifo and Bataro are important glaciers in the Karakoram range. ये आपको जो नज़र आ रहे नागा पर्वत की चोटियाँ नज़र आ रही हैं, ऊंचे तरीन पहाड़ हैं। नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न माउंटेन्स के बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे। There are three mountains range in the west of Pamir Knot. Their height decreases towards south. These mountain range are: first is Hindu Kush mountain. Hindu Kush mountain are situated in the northwest of Pakistan along the border of Afghanistan. This mountain range stretches from Chitral, Swat, Malakand up to river Kabul in the south. The highest peak of this range is Tejmeer, which high is 7,690 meters high. Now second is Safed Koh and Waziristan Hill. In the south of Hindu Kush mountain from rivers Kabul to river Kuram along the border of Afghanistan is the mountain range called Safed Koh. These mountains are situated in the Moment and Khyber agencies. The valleys of Peshawar, Kohat and Bannu are also situated in these mountains. The highest peak of this range is Sikiram, which is 4,760 meters high. In the south of Safed Koh, from the river Kuram to river Gomal are situated the less high Waziristan Hill. The famous Khyber Pass is situated in Safed Koh. It connects Pakistan with Afghanistan. And now third is Suleiman and Keter mountain. In the south of river Gomal up to river Bulan is situated the mountain range known as Suleiman mountain. These mountain range are situated along the river Indus between Punjab and Balochistan. The highest peak in this range is Takht Suleiman, which is 3,487 meters high. In the further south of river Bulan, between Balochistan and Sindh is the mountain range known as the Keter mountain. Towards south, the average height of this range is only about 300 meters. Plateau. There are two plateaus in Pakistan. Number 1 Potwar Plateau. Number 2 is Balochistan Plateau. Potwar Plateau के बारे में पहले बताऊंगी. This is Spiderman Plateau situated in the south of Swalik Hills. To its east is river Jhelum. इसकी इसमें Jhelum है. Towards west river Indus and it is south in the salt range. Potwar Plateau is composed of high and low hills. Sohan, Haro and Karang are the main rivers, while Skesar, Kalarkahar and Kabiki are the beautiful places. Balochistan Plateau. This is the vast plateau situated in the west of Suleiman and Keter mountain. Many mountain ranges are situated in this plateau. These are the coastal and central Makran mountains, Sihan mountains, Rasko, Chagi mountains, Pub mountains. These are situated in the Balochistan plateau. अब ये आपको मैप नज़र आ रहा है. ये लैंड फीचर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान है. इसमें माउंटेन्स भी आपको दिखाए गए हैं, डेजर्ट्स भी दिखाए गए हैं, प्लेन्स भी दिखाए गए हैं, कोस्टल एरियाज भी दिखाए गए हैं. टोबा काकर माउंटेन्स. द हाईएस्ट पीक इज़ रास्को विच इज़ 310 meters high. The western part of the plateau is dry due to shortage of rainfall. Here lies to desert between Chagi and Sihan mountains, in which there is a salt lake now and a human mashkil. Zuhab, Bolhan, Hab, Polari, Henglo, Dasht are the main rivers of Balochistan plateau. Plains. Balochistan is a plateau. Most of the area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the northern areas are comprised of high mountains, while Punjab and Sindh have been formed in the depositions of alluvium by river Indus and its tributaries. That is why it's called Indus Plain. Indus Plain has been divided into 3 parts. इसको 3 हिस्सों में आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ये रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान के नेम्स हैं. Upper Indus Plain. River Indus comes out of the northern mountains and enters into plains. Here are the following rivers join the eastern side by side: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej. Up to Mithankot, the maximum part of Punjab has been formed by the depositions of these rivers. It is called Upper Indus Plain. It is very fertile and very much favorable for cultivations. अपर के बाद अब आप पढ़ेंगे लोअर इंडस प्लेन. ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है और किस तरह स्टार्ट होता है. फ्रॉम मिठनकोट टू थर्टा इन द साउथ द प्लेन एरिया इज़ कॉल्ड लोअर इंडस प्लेन. चोलिस्तान एंड थर आर सिचुएटेड इन ईस्ट ऑफ रिवर इंडस अपार्ट फ्रॉम द डेजर्ट. द रेस्ट ऑफ द प्लेन्स इज सुटेबल फॉर कल्टिवेशन. डायलेक्टिक इंडस प्लेन. फ्रॉम थर्टा टू द कोस्ट of the Arabian Sea in the south, the plains areas are called deltic plains. Here the speed of the Indus River is slow Due to the very gentle slope and it divides into many branches, it is swamp-free area. Deserts, प्लेन्स के बाद आप पढ़ेंगे रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान के बाद डेजर्ट्स, रिवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, प्लेन्स, अपर इंडस प्लेन, लोअर इंडस प्लेन, deserts. The amount of rainfall is low in the most areas of Pakistan and some are very dry, so large deserts occupy. We have divided Thal, Cholistan, Thar, Haran. It is situated in Punjab. To its north, the Salt Range. In the east are River Jhelum and Chenab, and its to west is River Indus. Thal Desert spread over the areas Mianwali, Khushab, Bakhar, Liya and Muzaffargarh. Cholistan, it is situated in the southeastern Punjab. To its west are the river Sutlej and Indus, while the eastern side is bordered by India. Cholistan Desert spread over the areas of Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur and Rahim Yar Khan. Thar, it is situated in the eastern Sindh. It joins Cholistan in the north and Rajasthan deserts of India. In the east, river Indus flow into west. Thar Desert spread over the areas of Gotki, Sakhar, Khairpur, Shanghar and Tharparkar. Haran, it is situated in the west Balochistan. It is north are Chagi mountains, south Sihan, east Rasko and its west lies Iran. Haran Desert spreads over the area of Chagi and Haran. Coastal areas. Arabian Sea is situated in the south of Pakistan. The coastal belt along with the Arabian Sea is more than 1000 kilometers long. It can be divided in two parts: the coastal belt of Balochistan, the coastal belt of Sindh. The coastal belt of Balochistan, the coastal belt of Sindh. This belt is about 700 kilometers long. Ports of Gwadar, Pasni, Lasbela are situated on this belt. The coastal belt of Balochistan is partly flat and partly mountain, that is why it is not much vast. The coastal belt of Sindh. This belt is more than 300 km long. Ports of Karachi, Bin Qasim and Katy are situated on this belt. The coastal belt of Sindh is flat, that is why it is more vast. अब आप थोड़ा सा इसको मैं कंक्लूजन दूंगी कि हमने क्या पढ़ा है और किस तरह. The mountain range of Pakistan is into two segments. One Himalaya and northern mountains and western mountain. Himalaya and Karakoram are part of the northern mountains. Hindu Kush, Safed Ko, Waziristan, Suleiman and Kethar mountains are part of northwest mountain. Plateau. There are two types of plateaus. Potwar and Balochistan are two plateaus of Pakistan. The Indus plain is divided into three parts and desert is divided into four parts: Thal, Thar, Cholistan, Haran, deserts of Pakistan. ये आपने इसमें पढ़ा है. In the south of Pakistan lies in the Arabian Sea. Gwadar, Pasni, Lasbela, Karachi, Bin Qasim and Katy are the parts of Pakistan. अब जो आपने क्वेश्चन करने हैं, होमवर्क जो है वो आपने शीट पर लिखने हैं. राइट अ नोट ऑन द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान के नॉर्थ में जो माउंटेन्स हैं उनके बारे में नोट लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट अ नोट ऑन द इंडस प्लेन्स. इंडस प्लेन्स के बारे में भी नोट लिखना है. ठीक है बेटा. राइट अ नोट ऑन द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान. कौन से? हिमालय और कराकोरम रेंज के बारे में लिखें. और राइट अ नोट ऑन द इंडस प्लेन. इंडस प्लेन की जो डिवीजन है उसके बारे में भी आप नीट एंड क्लीन लिखें. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये चीज़ अच्छी तरह समझ आ गई. अल्लाह हाफिज़.